The share of detainees convicted of terror offenses among prison populations is rising across Europe. This can imply a possible proliferation of ideological motivated violence, as well as the codification of ever more terror offenses. The return of foreign terrorist fighters, individuals who have left their European homes to fight alongside jihadi groups abroad, has in recent years added yet another threat dimension to Europe's security landscape. Many of these returnees are not only ideologically indoctrinated, but also traumatized and desensitized to violence. The stigma associated with religious extremism has led to a strongly punitive approach toward terror offenders. However, once they leave the prison system, two measures has to be done. Monitoring such individuals for signs of re-radicalization or re-engagement with the former terror network. Offer them extensive assistance so that they can again become part of mainstream society. In order to sustainably mitigate the security risk associated with recidivist terror offenders, states must institute laws and practices aimed at punishing and rehabilitating terror offenders. A broad offer of rehabilitation initiatives should be psychological counseling, assistance about the reintegration into healthy social environments, support in labor market, and spiritual guidance by a local imam. It must be acknowledged that reintegration will only succeed out of an offender's intrinsic motivation to reconnect with mainstream society. Rather than judging the client for past behaviors or attempting to force him or her to participate in reintegration initiatives, it is the reintegration professional's task, therefore, to understand, motivate, and assist him or her in whatever way possible.